Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can import projects from Notion. Here we have a project in Notion. We're going to import this project into Kroolo. Let's navigate to the Kroolo dashboard. First of all, click on your profile. Proceed to Settings. On the left, select Integrations. In the search bar, type Notion and you'll see this card. Simply click on Connect. Review all the permissions and then click on Select Pages. You can search for a specific page or select pages from the list. We will import this one page which is already selected. Click on Allow Access. As you can see, Notion is now successfully connected. Now you need to select the Notion project that you want to import. Click on this drop-down and select your project. Below, select the workspace where you want to import the project. Click on Select Workspace, pick the workspace, and click on Import Board. A list of items to be imported will be displayed. Click on Confirm Import. The project is now successfully imported. Let's return to the home page and navigate to the Projects section. Here is the project we just imported. Click on the project name to view the project details. As you can see, all the tasks are neatly organized into different groups. That's how you can easily import projects from Notion. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.